Let's make an omelet using the Violife Cheddar Shreds. So I like to use 2 eggs, but you can also use 3. Add your pepper and then a little bit of salt as well. Go ahead and mix it up. Add your oil to the pan. I like to add green onions to mine, and then I also used andouille sausage. After you let it cook for a little bit, go ahead and add your eggs to the pan. After you flip it, you want to go ahead and add your cheese alternative. Now, I just want to say this is dairy-free and gluten-free, and I literally don't use any other cheese alternative. This is the best one to me because it actually melts. Go ahead and flip it over and then let it melt a little bit more. And this is how it came out in the end.